Hello everyone, this is Laura Valdez, your Las Vegas Realtor for a monthly Greater Las Vegas Real Estate Market Update. The Greater Las Vegas Real Estate Market enjoyed a December surge of closed sales to boost 2024 sales over 2023 sales. The Las Vegas market has 3.6 months of inventory as a result of the increased closings in December, coupled with a normal but seasonal drop in listings taken. The median price dipped slightly from 480,000 to 475,000, while the average price increased from 599,544 to 623,135, a 3.9% increase from November. All market segments except high-rise enjoyed higher closed sales in units than in 2023. Now let's look at the market snapshot. And that's our market report for the month of January. Feel free to share this video with your friends, relatives, business associates. Until then, see you next month. Gung Hai Fat Choi. Happy Chinese New Year, Year of the Snake. Bye-bye.